So if you want to display it in one area form, what you have to do, you just go here um, in this, and display is there. Here you just create one area. This, okay, here I'll create this one, remove it, and I'll put embed. In this video I'll remove. Here I'll put dot dot slash static slash upload slash I of 0, sorry, 2. So this is 300 300. You can put 500 500, height is 800, like this you can put. So let's see. I'll save this, exit, I'll run it. Okay, now I'll move here, I'll refresh it, so it will show you the PDF, all PDF. Okay, so like this it will show you. So now you can download it here. So one thing, if you don't want to download it, what you have to do, go here, just put img image source, nothing is there, and same thing width, copy it, paste it here, run the file. Here you have to put the, just check, style, that is the img border 1 pixel, solid green. Let's check where is that image. We'll do one thing, I'll upload one image. So what I have done, I have created one folder, that is I have created one image source. In that I have created one a.jpg. It is not there actually in the upload folder. Just I had given a name, that is a.jpg, and next is what, I have set the position of that, that is style position absolute, and transform translate 9%, 1 not minus 102%. So what happens, it will come above the PDF file. How? I'll just show you. See, this is how it will come above the PDF file. Okay, so actually before I have uploaded that a.jpg. Now I have deleted it. Now when I just run this file, see now when I just run this file and I'll refresh it, okay, so here it shows that download is there, here behind PDF is there. Just a minute. Here behind PDF is there, but what I have done in front, the using the position, that is transform, translate, using this I have taken front the image, and after that what I'll do, I'll make that opacity 0.5 just for your understanding purpose, and I'll run the file. See, the opacity is now little bit light, okay, and I can't click on that. Once again what I'll do, opacity is 0.5, I'll put 0 now. Once again I'll run it. If you don't want to download it, okay, see, now it is not there, the image is not there. But if you try to click on that download, you cannot click it. See, the image is there here. If you click on open image in new tab, the image is here, but here you cannot see that image. See, the image is here, but you cannot download the PDF file. Yes, same thing here also, you cannot download because the image is there. Okay, so now you can change the image also. I just put here B, and let's see what I'll do. I'll go here, I'll put like this one file, just put program number 6, open, it's there. If I open image in new tab, no, it's not there. Why? Because the file is not there here, upload file is not there. Dummy name I had given, that is b.jpg, which is not there. If it is not there, it will take that much of size. See here, if I try to click on that also, it will not open. So here, see, open image in new tab, if I do like that also, it is not there. b.jpg is there, but it is not found, it's not showing because the folder, this file is not there here. But main advantage is what, you are displaying the PDF file, okay, you are displaying the PDF file, but you cannot download the PDF file. So to do that, we have to use this. You can set the position such that you can scroll it down also, scroll it up, scroll down, you can do that also. So this is one technique which I have found out here. So if you want to display the PDF file and if you don't want to download it, you can do like that. You put a one dummy image in front of that and make that as opacity, that is opacity as 0, so that it is not visible, and if here it is download and this is also there, so if you try to click on that, it will not possible. So this is how it works. Thank you.